we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of BREGINE Wi-Fi extender with Ethernet port. Consists of the following features. Say goodbye to buffering. Our Wi-Fi signal boosters provide powerful support for every device in your home. With transmission speeds of up to 1200 MB per SEC, it delivers a strong, stable signal that eliminates lag and buffering when working online, streaming HD media, gaming, and making video calls. Powerful dual-band signal amplification. Amplify your Wi-Fi reach with 4 high-performance antennas supporting both 2.4 GHz, 300 MB per SEC, and 5 GHz, 867 to 1200 MB per SEC, networks. This extender offers universal router/device compatibility for effortless integration. Enjoy reliable, high-speed connectivity with minimal setup hassle, perfect for demanding use anywhere in your home. One-click WPS connection. Sync your booster to your router in seconds by pressing both WPS buttons. Enjoy powerful, uninterrupted Wi-Fi instantly. Enhance your setup with multiple operating modes. AP mode bridges wired to wireless networks, while the integrated Ethernet port delivers high-speed wired connectivity. Realize faster, more versatile internet access. Expand coverage to 13,888 sq.ft. Featuring 4 high-performance external antennas, this long-range outdoor Wi-Fi booster delivers powerful signal penetration and expansive coverage. Achieve stable, consistent connectivity throughout large homes, offices, and outdoor areas up to 13,888 sq.ft. Enjoy uninterrupted access in challenging spots like basements, garages, bathrooms, and gardens. Massive 150+ device capacity. Connect smartphones, tablets, laptops, cameras, game systems, and all your smart home gear with stable, high-performance Wi-Fi. Engineered to eliminate buffering during peak usage, this extender effortlessly manages heavy traffic, ensuring seamless browsing, streaming, and gaming for everyone in your household. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.